HubSpot CRM or ActiveCampaign, two major players claiming to revolutionize your business. But when it comes down to it, which one truly stands out? On one side, we have HubSpot CRM, celebrated for simplicity and integration. On the other, ActiveCampaign, famous for automation and robust marketing tools. In this video, we're putting both platforms to the test: ease of use, customization, integrations, pricing, automation, support, and more. Let's move past the marketing hype and focus on what actually matters to you. We'll score each category, and by the end, you'll know exactly which CRM deserves your time and investment. And trust me, the winner might catch you by surprise. Okay, so real quick, here's everything we're putting under the microscope today: pricing and value, automation and workflows, CRM and sales tools, email marketing, integrations and ecosystem, ease of use, reporting and analytics, and finally, support and community. We're breaking it all down category by category. Let's kick it off with pricing and value. Honestly, if you're bootstrapping or just want the most bang for no bucks, HubSpot kinda wipes the floor here with a totally usable free plan, and it's actually pretty generous. Perfect for startups. But, watch out, those paid tiers and add-ons sneak up. On the flip side, ActiveCampaign, yeah, no free plan, bummer. But if your whole world runs on fancy automations, their pricing does make sense. Still, add-ons can get spendy faster than you'd think. In the value ring, yeah, full points to HubSpotter than you'd think. Alright, moving on. Automation and workflows. So, this is where ActiveCampaign gets legit flexy. We're talking like conditional logic, goals, advanced branching, all that nerdy automation magic. Makes HubSpot's basic built-in flows look, well, basic, unless you shell out for higher tiers. But warning, there is a learning curve here. So if you're a true automation geek, ActiveCampaign probably has your heart. That's a clear win for ActiveCampaign here. Up next is CRM and sales tools. And, not gonna sugarcoat it, HubSpot shines here. Their free CRM isn't just some watered-down contact list, it's robust, with pipeline management baked right in. You want to sell, track deals, the whole package? You're set. ActiveCampaign includes CRM features, and hey, they're nice, especially since they link to automations, but you might start noticing it just isn't as deep as HubSpot. So, yeah, HubSpot's taking it. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know? The first ever CRM actually lived on floppy disks back in the 1980s. Imagine lugging those around just to save your contacts. Wild times. Now, email marketing. Here's the thing. HubSpot's editor is drag and drop simple. Your emails will get delivered, you'll get the basics done super fast. But if you want to get super granular like triggers, wild segmentation, or advanced personalization, that's totally ActiveCampaign's jam. Their email game is on another level, but curveball, their templates look a little old school. Still, if you're obsessed with powerful customized sequences, ActiveCampaign snags the win here. Let's talk integrations and ecosystem. I mean, honestly, HubSpot's app marketplace is huge. Need to connect marketing, sales, support? So easy, and you probably won't run out of options. Fair warning, some integrations hide behind premium plans. ActiveCampaign does solid, and their API is strong, but selection-wise, it's just not as packed. Super close race, but HubSpot pulls ahead. Next up is ease of use, and this is where I get excited. HubSpot is just smooth-like, you log in, and things make sense. You don't get lost in endless menus, and onboarding is actually enjoyable. ActiveCampaign? Oh, power users will love it after the initial maze, but if you're new, you'll probably feel like you need a map. So yeah, HubSpot gets the gold star for usability. Let's crunch some numbers with reporting and analytics. Both of these are actually pretty strong here. HubSpot gives you those real-time dashboards, plus a custom report builder. Only catch? Super deep analytics. Yeah, not free. You gotta pay up. ActiveCampaign brings detailed engagement stats, especially for your automations, but the interface is a bit, less user-friendly. It's a straight-up tie in this round. Alright, support and community. HubSpot has a massive resource library, like you'll find answers to stuff you weren't even looking for. Plus, there's 24/7 support on paid plans and a buzzing user forum. ActiveCampaign? They've got email and chat, not bad, but if you want to call them, that's for higher paying accounts only. So support-wise, yeah, HubSpot edges this one out. Just zooming out for a sec, when you line up all the categories, you start to see where each platform flexes. HubSpot's ahead in ease, community, and the all-important wallet friendliness, while ActiveCampaign is dominating in sheer automation horsepower and email wizardry. So, who should you actually pick? Here's my take. If you're a fast-growing business or new to CRMs and you just want something that works right now, like set up your team today, HubSpot is honestly the way to go. But if you're a marketer who dreams in automation flows, doesn't mind learning curves, and needs those next-level sequences, that's when ActiveCampaign shines. For most folks, though, HubSpot comes out a little ahead. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss the next CRM showdown. Catch you in the next one.